If you saw how excited I was last week when I did my shave ice syrup in the Instant Pot, I'm even more excited now. Hi, I'm Jill from thisoldgal.com, and today on In the Kitchen with Jill, I'm going to show you how to make sugar-free, low-carb shave ice syrup. You can use your Instant Pot Ace blender, or you could use a Vitamix or any blender. I'm really excited about this recipe because I need to watch my sugar. I need to get my A1C down. And this is so easy. It's not even funny. And there's only a few ingredients. And it's so easy to make. And you can use it right after you blend it all together. It's going to be awesome. Now make sure you stay and watch the video all the way through to the end, because when we put the shave ice together, I've got some tricks for you. Not only is this low carb, well, it's also great for Weight Watchers too, because there's no calories. There's literally 0 calories. But I'm going to turn one of them into a low carb fat bomb. That's right, a low carb, sugar-free shave ice fat bomb. Come with me and see what I'm going to do. Here we go. Making shave ice syrup yourself is so much cheaper than buying a $10 bottle at the store. So you're going to first want to decide what flavor you want. Kool-Aid makes all kinds of unsweetened flavors, so choose a flavor. Today I'm going to use lemon lime. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to make it in the Instant Pot Ace blender, and I'll show you quickly what to do on the Vitamix, but we're going to actually make it in the blender. So because, how do you say the Z word?
Xanthan.
Xanthan gum, it's a thickening agent like for gravies and stuff, and it's great for low carb. So that tends to clump up if you don't mix it with hot water or in gravies, or if you blend it a lot like in smoothies, you need that to mix it. So in order for it not to clump up, what we're going to do is we're going to take a pinch of it, put it in here, and we're going to add all the dry ingredients first. Now I'm using a sugar substitute. I've tried this with the monk fruit blend, and I've tried it with just the erythritol. Can't say that either. And I kind of like it better with the monk, but try whichever you like. So we're going to add this in. So we're adding all the dry ingredients first. So I'm going to open up the packet of the unsweetened Kool-Aid. I'm going to pour that in. All right, now we want to get this mixed up so that the sugar and the Kool-Aid mixes with the xanthan. So
Xanthan.
Xanthan.
Xanthan gum.
Xanthan gum.
Word of the day.
Put the top on. So on the Instant Pot Ace blender, we're going to hit low. It's going to show 2 like that. All right, that's going to give us a chance to start mixing. So while that's doing that, now for the Vitamix, you're going to open it up. You're going to do the same exact thing. You're going to add the same ingredients, and then you will turn it on between 2 and 3. You'll open the top, you'll add the rest. Okay, so now this is mixing. We're gonna trickle in the water. I have the little part off so it's easier to do this. So we're gonna put the water in like that. How do you like that? Bam, 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 there it goes, just about done. By the time you have the water in, you now have shave ice syrup that's low carb. Let me turn this off. Just like that. All right, you can see, I've got my little Snowy here. I love this shave ice maker because I can use ice cubes right from my freezer. Ed, grab those trays. I'll show you what fits preferred. You can use the ice cups from your ice maker in the freezer, or you can use ice trays. We use the big ones. We also use the smaller ones. Both work. I think the large ones work a little bit better to shave. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to pour this into a bottle. I've already made a few, just so I have some colors here. And of course my blue raspberry, because it's my favorite, and now you can see I've already had some. So I use these BPA-free bottles because they have a tip that screws on rather than pulls off. So if you spill it or drop it, it's not going to spill. Do we have the funnel?
Do we have a funnel? That's a good question.
Now we're going to pour this in to the bottle.
Get one.
All right, so we're going to open the lid. take that off like that. Move that over here. Thank you. All right, so we're going to pour this into the bottle like this. You can see the consistency. It's not too thick, it's not too thin. Now, it's kind of frothy now and cloudy. That's because we've blended it. It will settle down and become more liquidy, and then you can add a little bit more in.
It's just incorporated with a lot of air.
Right, right. So, Ed, you want to grab this away from me, please, in that funnel? You can move this out of the way. All right, so now you can see we've got these 3 flavors. Lemon lime. I think this might be grape or black cherry. Black cherry, maybe. All right, now, this is what I'm really excited to show you. I'm going to make 2 kinds of shave ice. One will be totally sugar-free, fat-free, 0 calories. And the second one, wait for it, it's going to be a low-carb fat bomb shave ice. So if you're low-carbing it, you know you need to have some fat into your diet to fuel you. And that's what we're going to do. And this is a great snack. All right, Ed, you want to grab some ice? Thank you. I'm going to show you how fast this is to make the shave ice. You put this cone right in front and you just push it down. All right, so we've got his. I do it like that. Oh, I make it a little bit bigger. Give you a little bit more. There we go. Want to make sure it's nice and big. All right.
That's all right.
So there's Ed's. And he's going to flavor his. Now I'm going to do mine in a cup. This is going to be the low carb one. This is great for me because I'm trying to lower my A1C and trying to eat things without sugar. So for me, okay, so you can see, oh boy, that's nice and big. All right, you can see that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the syrups. You can see how it's separating the foamy part from the clear. So it settles, it will get clear in a bit. So let me put some of this on, like that. Now it's a little warm, so it's going to melt my ice. These we made earlier, so this shouldn't be as bad as far as melting. And it's not. You can store them in the refrigerator, and that will keep your ice from melting. So I've done mine like this. Put a little bit over here because I love blue raspberry right across the top. All right, now for Ed's, did you add a spoon? Go ahead and eat it. This is what I'm going to do for me.
3 cheers for the red, white, and blue.
So, this is really cool. Coconut milk or a creamy, what is that called? Not coconut. Yeah, coconut milk. Take the cream off of it, or coconut cream. You can buy it unsweetened, or you can also buy unsweetened evaporated milk. Now I've mixed
condensed milk.
Condensed milk, right? I've mixed my coconut milk with some almond extract because I like almond on it, and I'll tell you why I did that. Because I'm going to make mine real topical. So I'm just got a couple of spoonfuls on top of mine, like that. This makes it really rich and creamy.
Let me have some of that.
All right, but this was a Weight Watchers one, no calories, so we're adding a few calories.
Oh, I go both ways.
He goes both ways. Oh, well, but you're making a nice dent. Okay, so I'm going to add that to mine.
And I don't mean both ways the way some people might think I mean.
Well, we don't know that.
Well, I do.
So now we're going to add chocolate chips. You can add some crushed walnuts or nuts or almonds on top. And then my favorite part of this, I'm going to add coconut flakes. Oh my God. Do you see how tropical it is? So I've got my almond flavor and the coconut flakes. Look at that. That's wonderful. Let me put it under here so you can see it.
All you need is a palm tree.
And I'm going to take a taste. You ready?
I got started.
He's like halfway done. So I'm going to taste mine now with what we just made. I'm going to taste the green since we just made that. I got a little bit of the red in it. Oh gosh. It's so good. I don't like when it goes to my head. What is that called? The brain freeze?
Brain freeze.
So I try to eat it really, really slow. Let me try this a little bit some more. Oh, see that cream? It's so creamy. It's so sweet. You know.
You can't even tell that it's artificial sugar.
I was just going to say that. You cannot tell that this is a fake at all. So, you know, if you want to start your kids on a sugar-free diet,
sneaking in on them, they won't know.
Use this. It's awesome. You know what you can also do with the syrup? If you like fizzy drinks, get some of that a spritzer, or just buy the already bubbly water and pour in the seltzer water, right? And pour in some of the shaved ice syrup in the bottom and add the seltzer water, and you've got yourself a delicious fizzy drink. I hope you guys enjoyed this video so much. Hopefully it will make your low carb lifestyle and your keto lifestyle a little bit more easy for you, knowing that you can have a wonderful sweet snack at any time of the day. For Weight Watchers, sugar-free, that's unlimited, right? Alright, so everything that I've done in this recipe, all the measurements and everything, you'll find on my blog, thisoldgal.com. The exact measurements and everything that I've used, and I'll explain more about the different sugar substitutes and what I prefer. You can follow me on Twitter, Pinterest, and Instagram at This Old Gal Cooks. And I'd love to hear what you think about this video in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for staying with us today.
Send us some pictures of your shave.
Oh yeah, send us some pictures. I want you to stick out your tongue and show me what color your tongue is. Bye everyone. We'll see you next time on In the Kitchen with Jill.
Hey everybody, Ed here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow us on social media. We'll see you in the next video.